So today we're going to be taking my mess of a desk and trying to clean it up with a little bit of shelving and some wall space decorations. And so today we are putting actually an inexpensive thing up. It's from our favorite place to shop, IKEA. The whole entire kit that I'm putting on the wall is about 35 bucks. We have the 2x2 foot pegboard. That's about $14.95. We have 3 of these shelves, which hopefully should hold lenses, like all of these guys over here, because you don't really want them to be just rolling around. And then we also got a couple of these smaller ones, hopefully for filters or lens caps, chargers, and then a couple bungee cords to possibly put notes or checks or invoices on the wall. We don't need this box anymore. First start with the, how do you pronounce that, Anna?
Skadis.
I would have gone with Skadis. You'll need today a screwdriver, a drill, and maybe some bits. Doesn't say anything about screws. I guess you have to provide your own screws. Do we have some screws.
So he's going to get screws from the garage. He'll be right back.
Oh, hello again. So they don't provide your own screws. People are gonna get mad at me for not using a pencil. Sorry, building. Second one, take our screwdriver, like so. These things are brutal. This is an item you don't wanna leave in your pocket. To not over tighten, because you'll just drive it through the drywall. Now we're just gonna attach the bracket. So now it's time to attach the board. I'm gonna do like that, where we're just lining that hole up. And placing the screws in there and screwing them just to hold it up. Flathead. These guys come in. Since we're only using one, it will basically just float on the bottom, so you're supposed to add this guy in there. I feel like there's a lot of views of my armpit going on right now. Like that. And, I don't know, I think it's pretty level. Based on don't judge the wall being level, because there might be right here where it's sloped. And so the idea with these is that they're wide enough for most lenses to go in, and I know that they're meant to be like, put pencils. What would you put in the shelf? You know, for these kind of things, like small
items.
Small items.
Yeah.
But
I wouldn't think lenses, but that's, hey, it works.
How do we do this? That's nice. That'll get better. So it just goes in like that and locks. Does said lens, hey! And now, I'll probably stagger them, right?
That'd be good.
So the good thing about this is that Anna will be much happier that my space is organized, or getting more organized, I guess would be the better word.
We're working on it.
I don't know. Maybe I'll put a fake plant up there to make Anna happy. Because I can't put real ones in there. We can't keep ones alive. So maybe I'll organize this in a way.
That's cool. What's that for?
Well, if I need to put a note up or something,
Oh, good one.
maybe I'll just put it.
Oh, you can be organized in your notes.
Whatever.
Doing B-roll.
Yeah.
That looks really nice, Ryan.
So I think this looks really good. What do you think, Anna?
Looks awesome.
So I know that it sketches me out to have lenses hanging on an IKEA shelf that's mounted onto like a weird pegboard thing, but like they're not. I'm not gonna shake it, but they're not going anywhere. So this is, I think, a really good way to get all of your stuff that you commonly use, because we were talking about this with gear. How do I get all my stuff that I use all the time where it's usable but not in the way? I think putting it on a wall like this solves the issue. Hopefully this is something you enjoyed. We're working on finishing the whole entire upstairs office. See ya.